Alright, it's the Greenworks 16-inch brushless chainsaw. I have to trim some low-lying tree branches, so I figured this would be the best opportunity to showcase it. Alright, so unboxing it, we have user manual and some errata maybe. Okay, we have the chainsaw, the battery. Let's see what the battery, if there's any charge on the battery. Okay, there's no charge on the battery, so I'll get my other battery. And then we have a charger that it came with. That's my other battery. You can see we got full charge on there. Okay, we need to inspect the oil situation. Okay, I have oil, so I'll go grab that. I'm gonna throw this battery on the charger. All right, so I have my chain oil. So this is Toro bar and chain oil. I'm gonna get a piece of cardboard to set onto this, just in case I have any spills. Or I'm using my Gorilla Grip gloves. Uh-oh, got some spillage. I always keep shop towels or bounty towels on hand, so I can quickly clean up any mess that I create. Okay, I'll wipe the rest of this up. Alright, so now we're going to give it a little test. Take the blade guard off. Okay, it's on. Oh yeah. Alright, so it sounds like we're good. We're going to give it a try. Let me turn it off. Yeah, so there's a power button right here. See, and then push it again to turn it off. Now this is a 2 amp hour battery. Okay, so we'll save this. I'm gonna put these gloves back on. All right, so I think some of this is gonna require my Polesaw so I can really get up there. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Oh, so that worked. All right, so now that you can see what I'm doing here. Ah. All right, so I definitely need my Polesaw now because some of these things are a little too high. All right, so we're gonna remove the battery from here. We'll put the battery in this guy. But first we're gonna assemble this. Okay, so this guy goes this way. Want to make sure we connect it properly. Yeah, I was right. All right, there we go. This guy off right here. Oop. Chain broke. Alright, so the chain came off. We use this tool that they gave us. Come on. Oh boy, what's going on here? Now this is why I got the chainsaw, so I could do this stuff here. So turn it on.